Cool. It's always nice when the fans come out to say good day. Doesn't look like an Elliott too.
The standard Volvo Ocean Race compression in the leg has happened. Every leg this has happened. We've busted our butts to be somewhere ahead of the other boats, and then we all just went together. So we all got within about 2 miles of each other just then. And for about half an hour we had nada wind. Which is kind of cool though. We've caught right up to Map Frey and Dongfong. They're just there. We've taken probably half our distance on them. We're still in the right order, yeah. Well, we could be in front of those two soon, but nothing really changed in the order, so it's not.
I got this from an even older and more damaged bowman, Nettie, right there. High pressure clouds. It's stratus, cumuli, upper level. It's gonna be a good day.